Hi, it's Anne Marie. Hey, I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and share with you a real quick video of a home that just came on the market in Rancho Penasquitos in the community of Torrey Highlands. It is part of the Poway School District, and the schools are Deer Canyon, Mesa, Verde, and Westview High School. Just wanted to share with you this home. It is so beautiful, and share with you some of the features. It has a really unique floor plan that we're all looking for right now. Come on, let's take a look. One of the things I love about this home is the very dramatic entry and staircase going upstairs to a huge loft area, which is like an upstairs family room, and the really high two-story windows which let in a lot of light. But also there's an oversized master bedroom suite downstairs which has access to the outside. It has a huge bathroom plus an extra half bath and an office downstairs. Beautiful hardwood floors for this home. I really want to show you this feature though. This is the kitchen that we all really want now. White cabinets, a large center island with granite, opens to the family room, a breakfast nook, and outside for entertaining, plus a walk-in pantry, and access by a service door through the laundry room out to the driveway. Give me a call. I'd love to arrange a personal showing for you of this home. Homes like this don't come on the market often. I look forward to talking with you soon.